Life is about staying independent, embracing every moment, and living in the comfort of your own home for as long as you want. But as we age, simple tasks can become a little more difficult, and the fear of a fall can get in the way of your freedom. At Bay Grab Bar, we believe safety doesn't have to compromise style. We are a certified aging-in-place specialist dedicated to creating beautiful and secure living spaces. Our thoughtfully designed grab bars, handrails, and other safety installations are created to blend seamlessly with your home's decor, giving you the support you need with the style you love. Our passion for this work is personal. It started when our founder, Bill, redesigned his own mother's home to prevent future falls. His extensive background as a licensed contractor and his keen eye for design ensure that every installation is not just functional, but also a perfect fit for your home's unique style. We offer a variety of solutions, including the safest grab bar, interior and exterior handrails, transfer poles, designer grab bars, folding shower seats, and more. Our process is simple and tailored to you. We'll start with a virtual consultation to understand your needs and provide a clear estimate. Then, we can install your new safety features, typically in one day. Regain your confidence and peace of mind with Bay Grab Bar. Call or text us today for a complimentary consultation.